Yeah, chat, of course. Of course it closes below and then rips up. Of course, chat, we love it. What's good there, everyone? How we doing? Good morning, man. Chat, welcome back to the streams. Hopefully you guys are good. What's popping? Let's get it going, man. It's going to be a good day today. I'm excited. A lot of opportunity here. So let's see what we can do. See if we can't run up some big numbers right now. One second. Let me switch this over, though. Chat, how we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams, like we said. Hopefully you guys are all good. Hopefully you're chilling. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, JJ, Triz, Highlight, what's good? Gene as well, Malinko, Crypto Maniac. What's good, man? Chat, look at this. Bro, I was super excited for a little closure above here. Then the last minute, it's like, nah, sorry. But look, let me get into an analysis right now. Hopefully you guys are good. Happy Tuesday morning. It's going to be a good day today, man. It's going to be a good day today. What do I have to do here? Fuck, I have to do something for my accountant quickly. Yeah, man, but look, I was looking for a closure above this level here on the left on the 1 hour for some nice buys. That would have been so clean. And then last minute, it just decides, you know what? Yeah, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. So, yeah, tough, but we move, right? We absolutely move. Give me 1 second. I have to do this, bro. This is tough. Chat, how was everyone's day yesterday, though? Hopefully you guys are good. Hopefully you guys are chilling. No news, no nothing, but no bank holiday also. I took the London Open buy, all time frames green. Yeah, nice, bro. Yeah, let me check Forex Factory. I don't think there is anything today, right? Yeah, nothing. Literally all yellow folders, so not bad at all. Only thing we need to do now is wait for good price action then. That's good though. That means essentially we have a pure price action day, which is rare to be honest. So it's very good. Let me just see here quickly. 1 sec. I have to go. Okay, wait. Share. WhatsApp. All right, cool. So I have to go back to immigration today. There was actually going to be no stream today, chat, but luckily at the last minute, my lawyer scheduled the meeting for a different time. So I actually was able to stream in the morning, which is good. And then I have to go back to immigration in the afternoon. So you guys are lucky, man. You get a stream, which is sick. But yeah, chat, look, let me take off this trade's taken, right? It's a negative, so we can't keep it there. There's no marketing. Weekly time frame here, chat. Let's get into the analysis. Weekly time frame is pushing up, broke all the previous highs. Same with the monthly. The monthly flipped here actually after making a bottom wick. Daily time frame closed bullish as well. It didn't actually close above this resistance, but it did close bullish. So potentially an indication here that we can continue up to all-time highs as well. 4 hours interesting. It closed above but respecting. So this is on FXCM2. Let's look on Oanda. So on Oanda, it also closed above as well, bullish, and it now has a bottom wick and flip. So we're looking pretty green here, chat, to be honest, to continue up. 2 hour time frame, you do have a level up towards 33.80 is our level there on the 2 hour. And then when we drop to the 1 hour, you can see quite clearly here, we have a very strong level towards 33.66 right now. So after you close above there, that should take you up towards that 33.80 level as well. That gives you like 100 and something pips. We are coming back down and flipping now on this 1 hour, which is very interesting. Chat, for me, I don't think there's going to be any sells until we close below 33.45 at least, because that's the first indication that we have where you have like a retest of a support level, a resistance level to continue down. You can see here we closed back below, retest it, continued. Same thing sort of happens here, and as well you sort of retest it here as well. So that's going to be the level for sells for me. If we are pushing down towards that, it probably means that we're going to come and grab this no bottom wick anyway, which is ideal. So realistically, what I'm going to do right now, chat, is I'm going to be waiting for closures above this 33.66 level here. It's a very clean level. After that, you have absolutely clean traffic all the way up towards the top of the next range. I'm just trying to see what time frame actually we can take this closure on. 30 minute, we could take it on. 15 minute, can we take it? Oh, chat, we can, you know. We can. So I think genuinely, any time frame closes above here, maybe even 5 minute, I can't lie, but nah, any time frame closes above here, we should be good to drive, because every single time that you've closed above here, on anything above the 15 minute, you have ripped up. So for me, I think that's a very clean indication that we're good to go here. So let's see if we can get like a 15-minute closure here in about 7 minutes. I know the 1 hour currently has no bottom wick, but the structure's bullish. We're making higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, let's see on this one. Let me, where's my favorites bar? Chat, how do I get this shit? Where's it gone? Am I tripping? I can't see it. What's the hotkey to get the favorites bar back? Someone tell me. 5 minute closure here though in a minute, chat. It looks like you want to close above as well. This could be very interesting here. What would stops be? They'd probably be like, yeah, they're not too bad actually. Left bottom start. Oh, thank you. You're a hero. Thank you, JJ. What's good, Gene? Finally back? Yeah, good to have you back, my friend. Chat, this should be good. So a closure above would be great. If you can get a bottom wick after a closure above down towards 64, that'd actually be ridiculously clean, chat. Once you come down and make a bottom wick for that previous candle, if you can do that, that'd be insane. So let's see. We can place our stops. To be honest, I'd like to have stops down here, but it's a bit large. So we can place our stops somewhere like here. Thing is, right, now you have a closure above on the 5 minute, so this could just rip up here. So let's see what this 5 minute does once you do close above, because every time you've closed above on the 5 minute in the past, you've absolutely ripped. You've absolutely ripped. So let's see. You have a closure here in like 15 seconds. Structure's bullish though, right? I think you might see a pop upwards here, to be honest, which is going to be a bit sad. 5 minute close, no top wick, so no entry for me. We're going to have to wait for that 15-minute closure here in about 4 or 5 minutes here. All right. I have a feeling this rips up there. But again, I can't take a trade off a feeling, right? That's not how it works. Just have to wait and see here, chat, because there's no confirmation yet. I mean, the 5 minute technically did close above, but it's not strong enough for me. I need at least a 15-minute closure here, personally. If it rips without us, then it rips without us, so be it, right? Have a question. I know you wait for time frame alignment, but do you wait for everything to align, such as the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute? Yeah, pretty much. Like that's like an A+ setup. When everything aligns, that's your A+ setup. Right now, I'm just looking for all the structure to align. Right, we have bullish structure on every time frame. I'm also looking at price action mirrors right now. So essentially, you have a mirror to the left. Every time you close above this area as well, you should continue upwards here. So I do think we're pretty good to continue. So, does this also work for EU? Yeah, 100%. 100%. I used to trade EU as well, but I got bored of it. It was too slow. It was too slow, I can't lie. Chat, we're ripping up here though. Exactly like I said, right? Exactly like I said, because now we got that closure above. This could be tough here. Yeah, chat. Fuck, man. Gold loves to play, eh? Gold loves to play. 3 minutes. Can it just stay still for 3 minutes, chat? I know it's a big ask, especially on gold, right? That is a big ask, but that's what I need. What would your advice be for fixed risk traders? Do you mean like fixed lot size or what? Because I trade with a fixed lot size as well. Let me open my broker. 1 sec. Chat, I want to retest to this level now. I would love that, to be honest. But it looks like we might not get one. I mean, we'll see. Chat, focus up here though. You got 2 minutes. I meant like not fixed lot sizes. Oh, in that case, just like calculate your stop loss and then calculate your order size, obviously, to do fixed risk. And then with fixed risk, you're better off going for like a 1-to-1, I think, in my opinion. I think that works a little bit better. But yeah, it's definitely a good way to do it. It just depends, right? But chat, we have a minute here. I'm going to lock it in quickly because this could be a very nice closure here. 5 minute has flipped. Ah, this might be your bottom wick here. If this 15 minute can print an entry for us, we're looking golden. Let me just do this actually. Let me calculate. I have to use this risk chart here to the left. $50 contracts. Okay, cool. All right, chat, let's see. Focus up, 20 seconds. I want a bottom wick on the open though, to be honest. It was pushing down as we closed, so you're either going to pop straight up here, and like the 1 minute's probably grabbed your liquidity already, or you might see a decent bottom wick. Let's see. I would like a decent bottom wick here, to be honest. How many pips is this? 3. It's tough, chat, because this has grabbed liquidity now to make like a higher low here. But the 15 minute, I think, still needs a bottom wick. I would love to see this come down and make a bottom wick for the previous. But I don't think it's going to do that, to be honest. We might have to sit this one out for a second here, chat. Just stay patient right now, right? No point like risking anything for no reason here. It might fill the wick, but not much I can do here. It's definitely not a perfect setup right now, especially with the 30 minute and the 1 hour looking the way it is, right? I was willing to take a trade even though the 1 hour has no bottom wick if we got like a decent bottom wick on this 15, right? Which we haven't got yet. If we come down and make it now, I'm still okay to take this, right? But we need to come down and make that bottom wick. If you re-break the low here, you should pop down a little bit, actually. There you go. All right, chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this 15-minute candle here. If this 15 can flip, we should be good to drive upwards, to be honest. It needs to flip within the next couple of minutes. So where is this? Buy stop here for a long position up towards the top of this range. Stops are going to be, if we get activated, stops are going to be down towards this low here to the left, and TP is going to be all the way up towards the top of the next range, right? As always. Whoa. Especially, chat, if you come down and make a low for the, if you make a bottom wick for the previous candle here, which you came close to doing right now, if you do that and then reject quite heavy, you should be good to run. On the flip or the, sorry, yeah, the break of the high, not the flip, my bad. What's good, DK? What you don't want to see though is this 1 minute technically did close below most recent, but I'm not too worried about that. But if you start to get 5 minute bearish closures below these lows here, it's a different story, right? Also going to watch how the 5 minute closes here. I would love to see it close very strong, well, doji kind of thing. So it closed kind of weak bearish, which is not bad. Also closed respecting this high here to the left. Coming pretty close to getting activated here. $15-minute flipped. Just got activated here, chat. And chat, this is now a risk-free trade. Stops to break even right now. Can I go stops to break even on this one? I want to see a pop right now. Chat, I'm going to go ahead and close full on Forex here at 20 pips right there. Congratulations. And I'm going to close full on futures too. How much was that? Around 21 pips as well. So futures, I just took 1K in profit right there. Congratulations. And Forex, 20 pips. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Chat, spam some dubs for me. Clean position right there. W's nonetheless. That was a super easy, super fast trade, chat. You cannot complain whatsoever. Absolutely clean position there. Yeah, man. We can look for re-entries in a little bit as well. I'm going to stay on. Obviously, it's super early right now. That was clean, though. So we took $100 bucks here across 10 accounts for about $1,000 there in literally a couple of seconds on stream. So congrats. If you took that with us live on YouTube at Trendlines. We do it every day, man, completely for free. How can you even compete with that? You literally can't. W's. And that's the clip. Chat, if you guys are holding this, congrats. I was worried about the 5-minute no bottom wick, but 15 had better confluence. Yeah, man. If you held this, or if you hold this, you're good to go here right now. Clip Fundamental Hill, what's good, Max? JJ, what's good? Who else here? Miguel, Annette, Joe. Congrats, all of you, man. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Early bird gets the worm, right? Chat, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to stay on for a while, though. I think we can maybe get some more positions here. This is running. Like, absolutely running right now. It's going to fill the range. It's going to fill that range. Fuck, I forgot to activate the copy trader again. That's fine there. So is life. Clean trade. Very clean trade, man. Reason why I closed as well is just because we popped so aggressively, right? Sometimes when you do that, it's a liquidity grab. The 5-minute had no bottom wick as well. So like, it could have literally flipped after that no bottom wick. That's why I was a bit aggressive with the closure there. But this should fill the range right now. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Like, literally no reason why it shouldn't. Let me just see, actually. Did I record that? I think I did. Chat, congrats though. Anyone still in? Anyone still holding this shit? Can't believe I joined too late to catch that. Bro's too busy playing that, whatever game it is. You're good, bro. Don't worry. I'm going to stay on until a little bit later as well. I think we can catch another position here. Did I catch it? Oh, yeah, there you go. Around 21. Is that around? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close full on Forex here at 20 pips right there. Why is the... Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. 1K, nice, easy. I was in the bathroom. Log that one in the journal. Will do, brother. 5-minute close, super bullish as well. Holy. I got in at 33.55. Yo, that's a good entry right there, my friend. You can hold that. It's going to fill the range, like we said, right? The analysis was on point here, chat. Actually on point. But chat, when you get an early position like that on a Tuesday morning, there's no reason not to hold that shit. Let me, Oh, we got some pip and dippers in here, man. Chat, I'm not jumping off right now. I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer, right? I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer. Let me add that to the stream record. How we got pip and dippers, man, so early. Gold buys. Plus 20, 20, wait, what did I close at? Let's see. Check the signals channel. Wait, no way. The signal didn't send. All right, well, they should have been on stream anyway, so fuck them. That's crazy though. Why did that not send? All right, hopefully it will send next time. But there you go. 30-minute closure here in about 3 minutes as well, chat. You should fill the range here. Chat, I think if I take another trade here, it's going to be on futures only. Bro, this account is growing nicely, man. This futures account, slow and steady wins the race on this one, I swear. Are you in the UK? No, I'm not. I'm in Cyprus. That's where I live now. It's my homeland, Not really my homeland, but it's where I live. Rentero playing games and he's late for trades? Classic. Copy traded with TradeAvate or an external one? With TradeAvate, bro. Which futures broker do you use? It's not a broker. I'm just trading on Apex funded, but I'm not affiliated, so don't go buy an account just because of me. I'm not affiliated with them. God damn it. Renterox, you're going to get this... The lacking continue. Nah, bro, don't beat yourself up, man. It happens. It happens, man. It wasn't your trade to take, right? If you're saying you missed it, it wasn't your trade to take. Let me message my editor quickly, actually. GG's, I'll get up next time. You will indeed. To be honest, chat, this 30-minute closure also looks good. I can't lie. Are you learning Greek? No. Bro, in Limassol where I live, I'm better off learning Russian than anything else. To be honest. 30 minutes still has no bottom wick, chat, so just be careful here. Although I don't think, especially if we close bullish here, there's no reason for us to really flip. You should feel the range. Yeah, there's more Russians here than Cypriots, I swear. Chat, that trade was so clean. So clean. Like, literally just followed the bias. Hey, it wasn't here, was it? It was here. I don't know why the fuck it put it down there. Russian expats speak English? They do, bro, but they speak Russian to each other, right? They all speak Russian to each other. Bro, I'll be sat in the sauna and there'll be like conversations in Russian, or I'll be sat at a restaurant, everyone's speaking Russian. The personal trainers at my gym, not that I get a personal trainer, but you know what I mean, they all speak Russian to each other. It's crazy. Chat, 30-minute opened up here, no bottom wick. No one told my girl that I missed because I was playing, she'll take away my PlayStation. All right, I got you. I got you. Chat, I didn't take that on my fucking main account though. But to be fair, yesterday we didn't take the loss on the main account, so I guess it balances it out. But we took it on futures and on the small Forex account, so that's all that really matters, right? If you feel the range here, it gets a little bit difficult, right? But, I mean, we've already taken advantage of our little piece. How far did that run? That ran like 100 pips, right? Yeah, it did. Crazy. Crazy. Chat. That's the power of the copy trader right here. This is insane. Like the scalability on this shit is ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was literally like basically using half a lot as well on each account. So like 5 minis basically, which is like, or 5 micros, whichever one it is. Yeah, micro. 5 micros, which is basically 0.5 lot. Stack it 10 accounts. Now they're all growing, man. You got each account here up 1.1k. Need to get to that payout though, of course. That's the main thing, right? Like the payout rules are so strict with Apex. That's the main, like, I guess when people say like, what's the catch? I guess that is the catch. Consistency and shit. But chat, I actually got, you guys know that Apex basically were doing, wait, what's happened here? Oh shit, did I close TradeAvate by accident? I did, bro. they said they might close my account down, and they messaged me yesterday saying, nah, it's all good. We like verified you, everything's fine. You can keep trading. And I was like, thank fuck. Is it hard to get funded with TraderBait? It's different. It's a very, very different platform, right? It takes a lot of getting used to. It does take a lot of getting used to, 100%, but once you get used to it, it's basically like anything else, right? It's the same strategy. It's just different execution platform, right? But yeah, now what we need to see, chat, is probably like a 1 hour close here. You are starting to rip though. Chat, I think that was a super clean entry though. I can't lie. The 5 minute did everything we needed it to. 15 minute was very clean. The moment that 15 closed above, I was like, yeah, okay, cool. The only thing I was concerned about was that we wouldn't get a bottom wick, and we did. So yeah, easy position right there. Only thing I think, chat, in hindsight, what we could have done better was try and let it run a bit more. I think sometimes when the volume's so high, I'm always conscious that like we could just pop up and then reject, you know? So I guess that's why I was a little bit, not eager, but a little bit early on the close perhaps. Still, 20 pips is 20 pips, right? You can't complain. We're about to break the high though, chat. You should just rip up towards the top of the range here. So you've pretty much filled the range. I like the fact you take a small 10 pip win and copy trade it times 10. Actually, it was a 20 pip win. I'm joking, but yeah, you're right, bro. I don't know, bro. I think slow and steady wins the race, right? Like, there's no real reason for me to want to go for a crazy hit and like home runs or whatever, especially because I'm copy trading, right? So, and also with futures, you have a trailing drawdown. So if I was to let this run right now, like let's say my trailing drawdown is this blue line here, okay? Like let's say that's my trailing drawdown. With futures, you know, we just got in a position here and we closed out 20 pips. What's that, 200 points? No, 20 points, whatever it is, I don't know. Anyway, your trading drawdown trails up. So like if I stayed in the position, my trading drawdown is going to slowly do this, right? And continue to trail up as profit goes up. And then if you get like a big retracement now, so like maybe your trading drawdown now comes to here, when you get this retracement, you can blow your account just from the trailing drawdown itself, even if you're in profit. So for me, you either have to really aggressively trail your stops, like way above where the drawdown is, or you just take your profit as it comes, right? Take small base hits. My boy Ike was saying this on Twitter the other day, and it made a lot of sense. Like, you know, in baseball, you have home runs and base hits, right? Base hits is where you just go for one base or two base or whatever. You're not going for that big crazy swing. It's the same shit here with, oh fuck, chat. Spilled my water. It's the same shit with trading. Fuck. That was gonna be such a good clip right there. And then I spilled the water mid-clip. Let me go clean this up. So chat, let me clean this up and then we can get back to business. What's good, Abdullah? How's it going, man? All right, I've gone for the old foot sweep up there. Right, we're back. So chat, you're filling the range right now, which is interesting here. Oh shit, wait, let me check this. Bro, I keep forgetting to have the fucking chart on the screen. No way, bro. I didn't have the chart on the screen when the trade was in play. What the fuck? And Forex, 20 pips. That's retarded. Oh well, we move. Bro, how do I do that every time? Chat, did any of you guys hold this towards the top of the range? If you did, then congratulations. It's very clean if you held it all the way up here. Very, very clean. 5-minute closing here in about 40 seconds. We couldn't get anything on this 30-minute, to be honest, because it had already pushed up without a bottom wick. I was going to look for a re-entry if we got like a nice bottom wick on the 30. But now that you've pushed up and filled the range, it's going to be very difficult to take anything here. Unless you can close above the level. But I would say actually you need to close above this area here. Most likely. Actually, how far away is that? Nah, maybe. I mean, we'll see. We'll see, chat. There's still a lot of potential here, right? There's still a lot of potential here. That was a clean trade. Chat, what about you guys? Do you guys normally, like, will you let yourself take another trade after a win or no? I think it depends. For me, when it's a small win like that, I'll happily take another position, but it just depends. I'm about to sneeze as well. Whoa. Depends on market conditions also. If the market's moving, I'm waiting. If not, I'm done. Yeah, I hear that. I think that makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense, to be honest. Full time frame screen, wait for a pullback and buy. That's true. That's exactly what we did, right? Have you been in Barcelona? No, never. I actually have never been to Barcelona, no. I've been to like Marbella, but that's the only place I've really been in Spain. Marbella, Gibraltar. I mean, that's the UK, but. Why'd you ask? From what I hear, everyone just gets their phone stolen in Barcelona. That's literally what I heard. Could we have trailed our stops there, chat? Yeah, you could have done, actually. Like, if you trailed your stops, you would have been fine, right? If you trail your stops here, 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 you would have got taken out at this point right there. Actually, no, you would have got taken out. Yeah, probably here, or even here, right? So we would have probably gained an extra, like, 20 pips or so. It's something I'm looking to add in the future, right? Potentially start trailing stops rather than closing early. I think that might be the move. I don't know how it's called, that party. Thursday I'm going to Barcelona for my friend's last party before wedding. Stag do, right? Yeah, bachelor party is what the Americans call it. Bachelorette is women. Nah, unfortunately I don't know any places. You should ask Huss if you speak to him. I think he's been, but I don't really know. I don't know anywhere. If you want to go to Cyprus or somewhere in Greece, I got you with all the recommendations you ever need, right? I've been pretty much everywhere there. But yeah, Spain's not my field of expertise. So you filled the range, chat. You're starting to reject off the top of the level now as well. Interesting. We already booked and everything. I'll post some photos at Friday, watching stream in the streets of Barcelona, TRLS worldwide. Hey, W, bro. Sounds good, man. Big rejection here, chat. Look at this 5 minute pushing all the way back down. Very interesting here. $15-minute closing here in about 30 seconds. Pull back for liquidity? Yeah, I think so. But the problem is, right, you've already filled the range here. So it gets very difficult to take any buys here because that's your advantage point right there, chat. Like, you've already tapped your advantage point. So now that you've tapped into that, like, there's no guarantee that it actually wants to come back up. So for me now, if I want to take buys here, it's either 15 no bottom wick as well. Crazy. It's either going to have to be back up above this level here on the 1 hour, or I need to see like us come back down below, close back above, and then fill up. But yeah, right now there's no more buys here personally. Bow, 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 bow. We might be done here, chat, to be honest. We might be done. I would say we probably are here. I can't lie. I don't really see anything else printing right now. Chat, should we call it a day? Play some GeoGuessr? I think so, right? Let's play the Geo. No, I did not want to click that. Call it a day, play some Warzone. Yo. No, I actually can't. I have shit to do, unfortunately. If I start playing free Nightbot, yeah, what happened to Nightbot, bro? Is it broken? Now, if I start playing Warzone right now, I'm going to be playing it all day, right? I'm like that type of person, so I need to chill on that one. Chat, join up if you want to play the Warzone. If not, if you're going to dip right now, make sure you drop a like and subscribe on your way out as well. It was a very, very clean, very good stream, I can't lie. Did you play Forza? Nah, I never played that shit, to be honest. Have you heard of Sway Funded? Is that owned by... Yeah, I have heard of that, bro. Sway Markets as well, the broker. Stay away from that shit. Stay away from that shit. Is it owned by Sway Markets? I bet it is. Chat, if you guys do want a funded account, the one I recommend for Forex, 100% more than anything else. I've had no payout issues, nothing like that. Just genuinely a good firm, good people, is ACG, right? Code SG at ACG gets you 20% off the accounts. Apparently Nightbot's not working, so it's not going to send a link, but just go to ACG and use code SG. You'll get 20% off. And yeah. Don't really go for any other liquid broker. Never heard of it. Generally, my rule is if I've never heard of them, they're not good. Because I've heard of most brokers, right? All right, chat. Zivalici. Where the fuck is this? That's got to be like Slovakia or some shit. Or Czechia. Croatia. What the fuck? All right, we'll take it. Malinko, by the way, have fun at that bachelor party, bro. It's going to be good. Have a good time, my friend. This is Balkan as fuck, no? It's got to be somewhere like this. What? Bro, everybody guessed in the Balkans. Singapore? Are you joking? Everybody got cooked on that one. I swear that looked like that looked like somewhere Balkan as fuck. I know immediately where this is just from the fake ass grass. I don't know whereabouts. Oh, that shit changed like quick. Where is this shit? Is it Qatar? I think it might be Qatar. Oh no, it was UAE. Okay, it was Dubai. I thought that was too obvious. I should have just gone with my gut, you know. Okay. That's gotta be there, no? Yo! Chat, I was 110 meters away. Malinko's even closer. 110 meters. Yeah, you can't beat that shit. Holy. Fuck it. That's the best guess I've ever done. But it was easy, right? So, kind of makes sense. It didn't click? Tough. And then it puts us in the middle of fucking nowhere, chat. Where is this? What's that sign? What are you? What do you say? Say something. No, this is like Thailand or somewhere. Yeah, I fucked that one so bad. All right, chat, I'll take third. I'll take a third. Mark in first place. Triz in second place. I'll take a third place any day of the week. Chat, W trade today, W stream. Congratulations if you took the win with us. If you didn't, then fair play. Otherwise, chat, look, that's going to be it from me today. I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow morning. Peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.